grill combinations found on various makes and models, but specifically the 2023 and newer Super Duty grills are a huge separator as far as what is each trim level. The thing I don't like is on the Lariat, Platinum, King Ranch, and Limited, it's the same grill. Here we have a Lariat Chrome Appearance Package single rear wheel that gets that grill, which is the same grill as the XLT Chrome Appearance Package. And then here right next door, we got a 24 F-450 Limited bad boy, and it has the exact same grill as another Platinum, and as a Lariat and King Ranch. Well, I just don't get that. To me, on the F-450, the grill should be different for the Lariat, for the Platinum, for the King Ranch, and especially the top tier Limit. On the F-250, 350, you do get that. The Limited is by far my favorite grill because it has that billet grill style with the brushed aluminum. It's the most elegant and appealing overall. It just doesn't make sense that this Platinum 450 looks the same as this Limited 450 Beauty in Rapid Red. You should be able to tell right here up front that this is a Limited truck, not a Platinum. For forever, I've been wanting this grill on a 450 Limited. This is where our great customer, Joseph Bumgarner, comes in. He saw our original video of the F-450 Rapid Red and then the one that we duplicated it with polished wheels. Both of those trucks, man, they mean so much to me, and they did to him as well, so much that he wanted to order one with us with Frank Sergi. This bad boy is sitting right here behind me, giving me chills. He's gonna allow us to do something special to the front to make sure that you know this is a one-of-one diamond. Let's go. We just finished this beauty up. Look at the Rapid Red applique, totally transformed from that brushed aluminum to now some nice subtle accent with Rapid Red upper and lower bar and Limited letters hitting just perfectly in the sunlight here, and the Rapid Red color is so elegant. I'm making you wait just a second to see the epic Limited grill bad boy on the front of this thing. A huge shout out to Joseph Bumgarner. Thank you so much, sir. It means everything. Frank's actually driving this to him tomorrow. Gonna go watch a hockey game in North Carolina and personally deliver this beautiful truck to him. And coming on around, you can tell this thing is like glass. Mason hooked us up with a 10-year ceramic, the big dog for the big dog. You know what I'm saying? And we're on 24-inch American Force Pulse wheels, polished and coated to perfection. I love the polished look on the Rapid Red. 37, 13.5, 24 Nitto Ridge Grapper, the hybrid tire, that #1 selling, ever so popular tire that's going to give him great looks and results overall. And you see I got the RTR swag, the Fun Haver real deal. I'm a big Fun Haver type guy, but I also got the special for Joseph today. We got the Ken Griffey Air Maxes on with the 24 in the shoe. That's when you know you're dealing with the real deal. 24s on the feet and 24s on mine too. And you can't forget about the Wild Willie's custom socks also, wildwillies.accessories.com. This is my money side shot, 2.5-inch leveled on 37s and 24s. This has been a staple for us time and time again. And I can get emotional thinking about this, seeing the very first Rapid Red in my mind that we did and filmed right up there. Took a chance, took a risk with my career and everything, and it paid off, y'all. It paid off. That's life. Take the risk, be confident, and make it happen. And since then, another great local guy in the Northeast Georgia mountains did one very similar to this with polished wheel. The first one had black and milled, so seeing these things multiply means everything to me, and I will never forget each individual customer, ever. Of course, you know it's standard on the Limited. We got the high output, 500 and 1200. Throw. Yes, I am getting this pumped up about a daggum grill. That's right. But it makes a huge difference. You saw the before of the standard grill on the Limited. You can't tell if it's a, look, right here, a Lariat sitting right there. You can't even tell what that is. Is that a Limited? Is it a Lariat? Is it a Platinum? Is it a King Ranch? You don't know. But we came right here and shutting the game down. North Carolina's got a phenomenal truck rolling around, one of one, with a statement of a front end like no other. And Ford, next year in 2025, you gotta be listening to what we're doing here at Y Wheels and Aikens, because this is a diamond if I've ever seen one. What a beautiful truck. With our Radialift 2.5-inch coil spring level kit, Fox Performance shocks, the 2.0s all the way around, including we replaced the single factory stabilizer with the Fox one. That's all this needs, in my opinion, for the proper ride quality, stiffness and softness overall, for proper turning and articulation. And the Carly torsion sway bar with end links for zero rubbing or scrubbing and the best ride you can get. The Carly torsion sway bar is not as stiff as a factory sway bar. With factory one doesn't give you as much clearance and articulation. You would rub pretty heavily on that setup. This one being a little bit softer, it alleviates the solid live axle wheel-to-wheel chatter when you hit an imperfection in the road. So better ride quality, overall comfort, and more capability off-road if he chooses to, and zero rubbing or scrubbing. That's the real deal. As you can see, no paint on the side, really no paint anywhere except the rear applique, not even the side bed step. I'm not mad about it at all because it ties in and flows ever so nicely. It's all about what the customer wants, and he wanted a balance of the black, chrome, and rapid red. I love it. Look how low profile and sleek this Pace Edwards bed locker power bed cover. It is the only way to go on an F-450 of this magnitude. I'm getting chills with the Admiral blue with Alcantara suede in the headliner and throughout. Oh my gosh, an elegant primo color. Illuminated limited as you enter. Pillow top seats, multi-contour at that, diamond of an interior all the way around. The blue and gray contrast feels totally different while driving this truck. It's unlike any other. A black truck, a King Ranch, etc. do not have the vibe that this limited does. We're talking one of one experience inside and out. And yes, I'm overly pumped up, but that's life. I don't want to live life being average. I love the custom. I love the top tier. This F-450 limited is 150 grand customized, y'all. This is a legit truck of all trucks for whatever Joe wants to do with it. Of course, I'm gonna be swagged out today and full of joy and excitement for him and for us, because this is my baby and it's about to be his, but we'll never forget the connection and relationship, and hopefully we'll do something else cool for Joe down the road as well. Frank, be careful driving this bad boy up there, and I don't know if I should say go Hurricanes or go Rangers. Either way, Joe, congratulations, my friend. Thanks so much. Catch me next time, because we dropping diamonds on the regular. Peace out.